What's up, guys? Next video here is going to be short and sweet to the point. I did manage to get Angel something for Mother's Day. It is a drive shaft for her car. She had been asking for some mods, so that's what I ended up getting her. Got a good deal on it. It is used, but I got it from a friend of mine, and it seemed like it was going to be the perfect next upgrade for her car because it's not something to really make it significantly faster, but I am very curious what this one mod will do in terms of making it faster. So 1 pound rotational is equivalent to about 10 pounds stationary. So for every pound you save, you might as well have cut 10 pounds of weight off of it if it's rotational mass. So drive shaft is rotational mass. I don't know what the weight of the stock drive shaft is, but I'm gonna measure it, see how heavy it is, see how heavy the new one is, and see how much weight we cut off of it. I'd like to see if we can actually improve and go faster next time with just a drive shaft swap. And we were supposed to be racing today. We chose not to. We chose to take the day off. This weekend is supposed to be wet, which means most of the competition racing is probably going to get rained out. We decided that it wasn't worth the hassle for this weekend. We're going to take the time off, work here at the shop. I've got a bunch of other stuff you'll see in other projects and other videos. A bunch of other projects you'll see in other videos. So we're going to start with her car tonight, get this thing finished up, and I will show you guys the short, sweet, and truth behind the one-piece aluminum drive shaft. We got the new drive shaft. We're gonna weigh it first. See what this thing weighs. I'll weigh it 3 consecutive times to make sure I get an accurate reading. 21.4. 21.4. Clear. 21.4. So it never changed, so that's pretty consistent. Next, we're going to weigh the stock one and see how much weight savings we're actually getting. 38.8. 38.8. 38.2. 39, 39, 39. So we're at 21.8 to 39. So what is that, like 17 something pounds, something like that? So that's a good chunk of weight. So if you take the general consensus is whatever your rotating mass is, it's 10 times that. That's 170 pounds stationary that you're taking out of the car, if the 10 times stuff is accurate. So theoretically, we should be able to go close to 2/10 faster with this. So we'll get it in and take it and test it in the next week or two. This one you was laughing at.
Because it was your hand, bro.
I look back at old pictures and videos of myself and I don't even look like the same person anymore. Gosh.
You're rude.
You're older. You're 18. He told me that video. I thought she said that video was 2016.
Yeah, it was 2018. I was wrong.
I think it's gotten worse.
Yeah. You remember I told you to go turbo.
You did.
I know, but he's gonna go sit in the mail.
All right, got the drive shaft finished up. Got all the bolts tight. Got the linkage tightened up, put it back on. It just pops off and on. Little ball socket. These bolts here did not come with the drive shaft. The bolts that are supposed to come with it didn't come with it. So we took the stock ones and cut them down, and there's plenty of thread on them. They're Loctited. All these bolts are Loctited. So now that this thing is in there, it looks like it's gonna fit really good. Shouldn't have any contact anywhere. We are gonna go ahead and set this thing down and take it for a test drive. All right, got the drive shaft done. Take it down the road right here and see if it's got any shake or shimmy in it. And so far it feels smooth as butter. I will take that. I'm gonna get out here so that it's open road a little bit so we can get some higher highway speeds set up, and we'll check it then and see how she runs then. So I don't think I've ever felt this car drive as smooth before, ever, since we've owned it. Got the tires balanced, thanks Nick for that. Got this new drive shaft from Jason TXier at 1320 Junkie Porting. He is the GOAT when it comes to porting Coyote plastic intakes, or even that new Holly intake that's coming out. Has just been released. He hooked us up with this drive shaft that's out of his personal car, Smurfinator, since he was going to a new trans setup. Was able to get this thing off of him, and I really, really appreciate him. Thank you, Jason, if you ever see this. We really appreciate you, and this thing is buttery smooth now, so it definitely feels good. I want to try to get this thing up to highway speeds right here as I pull this hill, and hopefully we don't have any kind of shakes up top, but so far it is superb. This thing has never rode this good before, so thank you to everybody that has helped so far. Silk. Like always, make better choices, like don't modify your daily, and I will catch you guys next time. Deuces.